Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we're off to another warm start to our day. Temperatures already in the mid 70s. We expect temperatures to remain in the mid to upper 70s today, much like what they were yesterday. As you can see across the region, we saw temperatures even into the low 80s for many locations, up to 84 degrees in Baltimore. That was the warmest reporting station in the region. We made it up to 79 degrees here at Wallops. Overnight last night, a mild night for all in our region as temperatures stayed above that 60-degree mark. We were the coolest reporting station, coming in with 60 degrees for our overnight low temperature. Many of the other locations in the mid 60s. You can see Langley Air Force Base at 65, Washington D.C. coming in with a low of 66. Over the past 24 hours, no measurable precipitation, and as of 9 a.m., you can see those temperatures generally running in the low 70s across the region. A little cooler off to our north, Baltimore at 64 degrees, 66 in Washington, D.C. We were at 75 degrees here at Wallops. Taking a look at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, showing the winds generally out of the northwest direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, and then becoming westerly in direction as we go up to 25,000 feet, where those winds increase up to around 42 knots. That freezing level was at 10,900 feet. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have a weak frontal boundary that is slowly pushing through the region, but as you can see here, it's kind of stalled out over the area, and it will continue to weaken over the course of the next few hours. So a little bit of an increase in our cloudiness earlier this morning will give way to mostly sunny skies as that frontal boundary dissipates over our region. You can see high pressure off the southeast coast. That's going to be the main player of our weather today, as it will continue to funnel in some warm southwesterly flow over our region, providing us with those warm temperatures. Looking at our infrared satellite composite, you can see those clouds associated with that frontal boundary riding along the southeast and mid-Atlantic coast. And we are seeing those clouds begin to dissipate, and will continue to do so over the next few hours. And those mostly cloudy skies will turn to partly cloudy skies later this afternoon, and we'll see a fair amount of sunshine and some very pleasant conditions as well. Radar not showing any issues with any kind of radar echoes in our area, and we're not expecting any precipitation over the course of the next 24 hours, as we are expected to remain dry. Our forecast map over the next couple of days shows that frontal boundary continuing to be in the general vicinity of our area as we go into the midday hours. And as you look into the next couple of frames here, the front just kind of weakens south of our area, pushes a little farther south with high pressure building in from the north. And then as we go into the day on Thursday, we'll see a upper level disturbance begin to move along this front, drawing closer to our region during the day on Thursday. It looks like the main area of disturbed weather will probably push a little farther to our north, but can't rule out a scattered shower or two, especially during the afternoon hours on Thursday, and into the evening hours will still carry that threat for some precipitation. Best chance for rain over the course of the next several days will likely come late in the day on Friday, as this cold front finally pushes off the coast, and we see some more and better dynamics and a little bit of instability as well as this front draws in more moisture and a warmer air mass on Friday. You can see a few showers, maybe even a thunderstorm later in the day on Friday, especially during the nighttime hours as that front crosses the region. Taking a look here real quick on our next 24 hours, you can see our green chart indicating no hazardous weather expected. We are going to see a little decrease in our cloudiness as we go into the afternoon, and then the clouds will increase once again overnight into the day on Friday, where we'll average out with partly sunny skies and just that slight chance of a few scattered showers, mainly during the afternoon hours. You can see here for Thursday and Friday, just about a 30% chance of these scattered showers during the day on Thursday, and continuing with that 30% chance Thursday night. Then as we go into the Friday time period, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies, a chance of these showers during the morning, and then a better chance as we get into the later portions of the day, especially during the nighttime hours of Friday as that front pushes through, where we'll see our best chance for rain and maybe even a thunderstorm or two Friday night. We're also going to see the winds pick up ahead of this front during the day on Friday, so a pretty decent chance that we will see a wind advisory posted for those winds in excess of 25 knots as we go into the afternoon. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, you can see really not a lot of disturbed weather over the course of the next 7 days. We'll remain dry today, and then tomorrow just seeing that slight chance of a few scattered showers. Then Friday we'll see the best chance for our shower and thunderstorm activity mainly during the later portions of the day. So not expecting a entire day of rain for either Thursday or Friday. Not going to be a complete washout, but there is a pretty good potential for some showers and thunderstorms later in the day on Friday. We'll see high pressure build in for the weekend with cooler temperatures expected on Saturday, a high of 69, 73 on Sunday, and then dry weather continuing for the first part of next week with cooler conditions, as we will see a dry frontal boundary make its way through later in the day on Sunday. We'll likely get up into the low 70s ahead of that front and then cool off pretty quickly behind the frontal boundary, looking at a low temperature of 48 degrees by Monday morning, and then getting up to around 67 for Monday, and then 73 for Tuesday with a chance for a few scattered rain showers. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Have a nice day.